stories. BJP President Amit Shah sounds Paul Bagal in Manipur addresses election rally. Eight SEC wins in Manipur's outer parliamentary constituency not given right to contest election. And Assam Rifles nabs 3 persons with WY tablets worth rupees 27 crore. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. National BJP President Amit Shah today addressed a mammoth election rally at Thawal District's Wangjing Kodom Pokpi ground. Shah is in Manipur in a one-day visit to the state to sound Paul Bagal. Manipur's outer state goes to poll on April 11 in the first phase. Lok Sabha polls in respect of inner seat will be conducted on April 18 in the second phase. Highlighting development works of BJP government, Amit Shah further told the gathering that the poor has been enlivened and new schemes have helped them in getting proper medical treatment since the BJP came to power. He said the country has witnessed advancing in quality education as the center has given additional focus on education sector. The BJP chief described Modi government the best one which has worked only for the welfare of the people. He also said the ongoing Imphal-Jiri railway line in Manipur would be commissioned by 2021. Buoying up the spokesperson, Saha promised that the current incentive cash reward given to spokesperson winning gold medals in national and international events would be raised to rupees 15 lakh from 8 lakh. The BJP leader asserted that the law and order situation in Manipur has been significantly improved because of the BJP government, which has become a secular one. Taking a jibe at the rival Congress, Amit Shah said Manipur is now blockade-free state which has witnessed economic blockade running up to 160 days during the previous Congress government in the state. He also said fuel and LPG prices have gone down in the country. He mentioned that over 8 lakh families in the country have been provided free LPG connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Further taking a dig at the Manipur previous Congress government, the BJP president alleged that all development funds sponsored and allocated by the Center for the State were pocketed by the erstwhile government headed by Ibobi Singh. Shah said the former Congress government even messed up with Loktak Lake.
कश्मीर हो, कन्याकुमारी हो, आसाम से लेकर गुजरात तक हर जगह मैंने मोदी 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 सुना है. अइना चलू चलू बा कश्मीर तकी हौरगा कन्याकुमारी तक तोंगान तोंगान मफम चलू बदा मफम खुदिंगी मोदी 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 मोदी. और ये मोदी मोदी जो हो रहा है वो बताता है कि आने वाले दिनों में अभी से भी बड़े बहुमत के साथ नरेंद्र मोदी जी फिर से प्रधानमंत्री बनने वाले हैं. पूर्वोत्तर के लिए, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए 258% ज्यादा रकम देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी की नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने किया है. हाँ न कांग्रेस की सरकार पायरिंग है ना 13 फाइनेंस तापम पैसा अदुदगी बीजेपी न पायरक पदगी 14 फाइनेंस ता 258% है ना पैसा हकत ले नॉर्थ ईस्ट की वजह. एनईसी की परिषद 40 साल से नॉर्थ ईस्ट में नहीं होती थी. नरेंद्र मोदी जी आए, पहली ही एनईसी की बैठक 40 साल के बाद शिलोंग में कर नॉर्थ ईस्ट के डेवलपमेंट को आगे बढ़ाने का काम ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Manipur BJP President K.H.S. Bhavananda, party workers, ministers, MLAs and 2 nominees of BJP for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls were present during the election rally. Daily gains in as many as 8 segments covered by Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency in the valley of Manipur are yet to be given the right to contest election. Though India got its independence over 7 decades ago, it seems democracy has no meaning at all, taking into consideration the deprivation of rights of the electorate in these areas.
The Constitution of India gives equal rights to every citizen, and that every ruling dispensation comes after the exercise of universal adult franchise, which allows every citizen who have attained the age of 18 to cast votes. The 8 assembly segments in the valley have been enjoying only the right to elect their representatives, but not the right to stand in election for many years. These assembly segments fall under Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, which is reserved for scheduled tribes. Manipur has 2 parliamentary seats. The other one is Inner Seat. Wangjing Tenta, Khangabok, Hairok, Hianglam, Wabagai, Kakching, Shugnu, and Jiribam do not have the right to stand in the parliamentary election.
Vote Tadabadi Yaraga, Lepadi Yaru Masi, I Samakid Masi Anindi. Maramakaina, both Tadabadi Yarga Lepaya de Haiba, Maramasi, Karino, Carmito Bono, Karigino, Lepaya de Masimarek Shena, Hayaning.
Alternating and Viraga, both Lepadi Handaba, Masi Karamba, Neom no Natraga, Karom the Pusalaga Toribano, Masi Yam Shengna, Mamutana, the Kanganingi, Karma Mong that Lay Helena Hojibu.
Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency da Jiribam Yauraga Khangabok Hairok Wagitita Eshi Kakching Wabagai Hianglam Sugnu Jiribam the Panjare Kendra Nipan Haitare Assembly Singme Niparashi Kuipot Hadabadi Yaba Lepadi Handaba. For the last about 60 years, Kui Haksimatun Lai Masi Mamanga Chatkiba impeaching the Parliament of Hayamo Hibiram de Masiki Haragadi Akushi Botadabagi Arthadi Toktabani
Indiagi Nagarik Amaoina Labanina Indiagi Nagariksi, India government, my Rulama Shemak Panina, Masida Kogi Monadi, Kogi Hakti, Mahanjari Boti, Tada Jaganabu, Masida Pajagi, Masahi, Tam Amani Matunga, Tongan Iho Malakani, have each other walking the Tazaba Legiata.
What had the Yarga, Lepadia the Wigi, Adumba, Yam Noitabook and Uncle Levene, Machina. Nomaxi Kaluragati, Yamshanaka, the Quay Masi Bossabo, Tada the Yabane. Masidi Sunya and Indrobopone, a Quasuya Yajaning de Tada Badi Yarga Lepia, the wife, say Masi Yam Sianarka, as I was singing about Manana Smanatum.
Yargadi, the animal of both side Palmo or Palme. Men's Ibedi Gena Quizu can sing him Tada Lepa, Yavasumax my Palmevo. Anima idea Lepia, the Tada of the Yavs in the Kitan Palmo.
It is becoming more evident that Imphal-More route has turned out to be the most important route for drug smugglers. 90 kg of WY tablets worth around Rs 27 crore was seized from 3 persons along with the contraband items. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba product sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ni. Documents ichang changdana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoigi sport servicing van adongi damakta matam pumbada leijari. Bus sing yon badanatana school, college, universities, office ki tama contract basis da lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su phangdigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoigi su mai pakpana.
Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur Loba, Class 12 ki parikha, 3rd position, Yumnam Devsit, 9th position, Akoijam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Koronganba, 10th position, Lystam Imoba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagol Sem Biki Singh Ne. Arts stream da anisaba position takraba Takhil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, third position Yangkom Gunchenba, fourth position Texan James Singh, fifth position Boirangthem Loya Ngamba, seventh position SS Obed Kharam, eighth position Takhilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back after the break. Mapao Jingso village in Kangpokpi district, about 20 kilometers from Manipur capital Imphal, has become a model village. We can also follow the status of cleanliness of this village as model, but lack of healthcare and education facilities have disheartened the tribal village. Here's a report.
Mapao Jingso village in Kangpokpi district, about 20 kilometers from Manipur capital Imphal, has become a model village. We can also follow the status of cleanliness of this village as model. But the villagers express a strong desire that the Manipur government initiate steps to give special impetus to health and education sector. Mapao Jingso village has around 100 households with a population of 500. You can find this village by taking Sambai Lamkhai on Imphal Cycle Road and then traveling about 5 kilometers from Mapao Hill. But there are people who are knowingly or unknowingly staining the beauty of Mapao Jingso village, including in destructive activities like turning trees grown in the area into lucrative business of charcoal and firewood, which are produced through causing wildfires. It has become a very difficult task for the village to stop these activities.
Masi khungi wainadi masi athingma lebani. Masi yam kanna koi yengsilli. Matam-matamda khunna sinasu masi mai gum muthat bakot pa si ekoi dum tawje kanna hotna dana chahi chum lai. Adubu khangau dana ahingda chaklak bakot pa gumba mapam atoppa dagi dum chaklak bakot pa gum se hek toina tawe. Aduna mat khunna su ngak pangamdaba sule. Khanglabadi madu ekoi khunna mi sing to the paraga action lokat pa fine taba khot pa se ekoi dum tawjari. Adubu sumaina lam mai chak pa se masi ngak pa se awaba madi thengnari.
Mapao Jingso village secretary Y.L. Ramgui told lamjingbatomtv that they have electricity, water supply and connectivity facilities, but the village does not have education and healthcare facilities. Children go to neighboring villages for study, but lack of healthcare facilities often make difficulties to the villagers. Ramgui said the lone PHSC at the village has remained non-functional. Ramgui also said one household of the village gets only 8 kg of rice under National Food Security Act. Actually, one member of each family is entitled to 5 kg of rice under this act. But this is not happening in Mapao Jingso village.
Kunasi gi government gi akoi development lambi thong phang electricity adagi water supply akoi phangi adu water supply asi akoi khara awabadi thengnari adu sarkar na masi pipe kumba phajana tanki phajana construct of badi pami government national food security ki makhada paikaliba ration ki supply se akoi khunsida phajana phangdra masi government ki as per government ki pifam thokpadi per head 5 kgs pibani adubu akoina khunasida phangbasidi per household only 8 kgs.
Jiribam police custody today sent back 12 non-locals who did not possess proper documents. They were trying to enter Manipur by train. The district police have been carrying out such drives to prevent illegal migrants from entering the state. A one-day free eye testing for drivers and medical camp for people in adjoining areas of New Bazaar, Tuibong and Tingkai of Churachandpur district was held at New Bazaar bus parking, Churachandpur. It was jointly organized by NHI DCL and District Health Society, Churachandpur.
Program में मखादा अखोई मफुम असिदा अखोइना ड्राइवर सिंगी ओइबा अखोई free medical camp for eye testing and medical camp हाइबसी पांगथोक सबनी मसिदैसिदा अखोइना free दा अखोई medicine अमा मसो अखोई provide तौजरी अदुना अखोई NSI DCL ना अखोई मणिपुर दा लंबी सड़क सेम बखदना तना अखोइना social activity दसु असिकुम बसिंग असि सरुक जाजरी हाइबगी पांदम दा अखोइना ड्राइवर सिंग से मोइना मिट ना फजना कनो तौरगदी गाड़ी थौब खोटपद एक्सीडेंट की चांग से खरा हंथनब ngamgadra हाइबगी पांदम ना अखोइना हारिबा free eye testing for drivers हाइब थोरम से अखोई पांथोक सबनी.
More than hundreds of beneficiaries, both male and female, young and all, have come to attain this one-day free eye testing camp and a medical camp which is organized by the NSIDCL in association with the District Health Society, Churachandpur. With camera person Rosan Kangembam, Blessing Yangmai for Tom TV News, Churachandpur.
Police continue to tighten security measures ahead of the Manipur visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 7. Under the supervision of Imphal West Additional Superintendent of Police Operation A.G. Sharma, Imphal West Commando Bazaar Unit today conducted combing operation in and around Pauna Bazaar, Polo Ground Maning, Kakulong and BT Road under City Police. 670 people were verified, while 15 people who could not provide proper documents were detained by the city police. In continuation of the preventive measures in connection with the upcoming VVIP visit, Commando Imphal is conducted house-to-house search operation led by R.K. Charles, Deputy Superintendent of Police, and Inspector T. Kogen, Officer in Charge, Commando, along with Commando team under the supervision of T.H. Krishnatombi, Additional SP Operation, and from 6:15 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. at Palace Compound, Konung Manung. About 215 houses were searched and residents verified. No one was detained. Imphal East Commando also conducted house-to-house search operation at Ningthempur Khimapal area. About 90 houses were searched and residents verified. Treatment of Moirangthem Nanau from Wangzing has started at RIMS Hospital with the assistance extended by Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo. She has been diagnosed with tuberculosis. We have a report on this.
As promised by the former president of ISAM, Rajendra Boy, Moirangthem Nanau was admitted to RIMS Hospital with the assistance of Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo. After rechecking the report by Dr. Ivungo, it was detected that she was not suffering from cancer, but confirmed to be tuberculosis. Nanau was sent back home as the illness can be easily treated with proper medication. Finance Secretary of Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo, Avimate, lauded Tom TV and its staff for bringing forward the stories on desperate and grieved people. He added that the group will continue to provide assistance to Nanau for her medication until she gets better and cure. The group also provided Rs 20,000 to Sanatoi's family today. Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo also thanked all those who have given monetary support to the family.
RIMS Hospital da ngasi asi khoi anabasi khocharakpani adubo hojik yamna nungaiba pawmana anga asigi ekoina hala uramiba anabu mukti tasengna madu oidre yamna phagatpa yamna laiba yamna sum yam thuna phagada bana borami basigi damkasu ina tukun harawjaba nungaja phodok chari aduga hojiksi khoi lamfen sana kaithen da laiba khoi district yen ayane khoi gi hidana thaki khoi gi TB ga haitare sengna ga confirm to bani adu TBS faranda bagi damakta koi sida sangamga anabasi yumda koi putjara gani adana miyamda so tamdari aduga miyamda request amana akoina Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo ki khuthangda akoi Facebook ki friends sing amadi member sing na mateng pamri pa khoi khudimappu Kanglek Park News ki Tengbanglo ki bai kedagi thagat saba phundok chari aduga Tom TV ki akoi Nukshijaraba akoi sar sing amadi staff khudimappu su aninga leitana Kanglek Park News Tengbanglo ki bai kedagi thagat saba phundok chari.
Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren has wished the people of the state with peace, prosperity and good health on the auspicious occasion of Sajibu Nongmapanba Cherauba or the Meitei New Year tomorrow. In his greetings, the Chief Minister mentioned on how the festival is celebrated like family get-together, cleaning of house, praying to deities and all the family members having a meal comprising of various traditional Manipuri dishes and later people climbing the nearest hill. He also mentioned on how Cherauba festival reminds the people that this state is endowed with both hills and valley together. Stating further, and Biren also mentioned about family values and taking care of each other in the family and neighbors on this auspicious occasion. Puruplakki Salai Punsikol today distributed holy water collected from 9 different holy sites at Khwairamban Kaitel in connection with the festival of Nongmapanba Sajibu Cherauba. The organization also distributed a pamphlet titled Sajibu Cheraubagi Thauramlon. Meanwhile, Imphal City Police distributed free drinking water and switched to people coming for festival shopping at Khwairamban Kaitel.
Miamda Kudong Sananaba, Sana Kunya, Lupa Kunya, Sanduna, Lipum Singadu, Lojarubani, Hyriba Lipum Singadu Maruina, Kanglada Lady Bandungjing Ikon, Loinana Ka Kong, Lai Kong, Malang Kong, Haibok Sing the Lady Punsi Kong, Lango Leliba, Punsiro Marugi Lipum, Loinana, Punamashiki Matakta, Tangna Kaina Sukanga, Purusho Lipum, Tereki Masini, Haibasi, Sera Wogi Masil, Kobo Puyada, Yam Hangni Ramduna, Sera Wonumita Kaliba Polabzing Singdopada. Iru sading badahap labadi say idu lakadaba na yekpa tinthung laitung gadaba ayedpam punamak ko ihaina sinarami sajibugi noma panbadagi hoba aduga lamtagi thasu nunta loiba kanglipak thabalon haina koba calendar khutpai haina sukhangnaba thabalon amasu puthokjare masina maroina salai gi yek tare salai tare desigi apokpo khorombagi polam sing aduga thagi sahai daba chilai daba polam sing punamak sigi mathakta agi apokpagi Polam Singa Sidanatana, Mimigi Polkon and Wiki Apollonda, Karamba Mingna Haudana, Kaugati Haiba Angangi Ming Tonbegi Kanglon, Adigi Polak Ponumita, Magi Maponumki Ushina Singba, Adigi Mera watching at Padakari Maron Haraga Singat Kadagi, Adigi Wapupadana, Karikari Haraga Pukadagi Haibana Singba, Asugum Laba, Kayamarik Sumna Yaraba, Sajibugi no Pambadi Hoba, Lamtagita Sudumita Tabaloni.
A 2-day training program under the theme Income Generation in Imphal River Watershed Area through essential oil, banana fiber and vermicomposting has begun at Lumfelpat, organized by CSIR NEIST Branch Lab, Lumfelpat, under the sponsorship of GB Plant National Institute of Himalayan Environment and Sustainable Development, Almora, Uttarakhand. At the opening event, Senior Principal Scientist of CSIR NEIST Branch Lab, Lumfelpat, Dr. Huidrom Bir Kumar said that people living in the hilly region must stop the practice of deforestation and adopt the habits of cultivating plantains and other aromatic plants on a large scale and earn sufficient income. Dr. Huidrom Bir Kumar also emphasized on the need to curb the present crisis of climate change and also the importance of growing aromatic plants in the state.
Adu ngasai laiba foreign tourist na lais di karino hai matamda umang yengba lakpane ba moi fura dulan yengba lakpana te ba America na China da leiba Japan da leiba fura dulan di akhoi na di compare to ngam te moi di fura dulan yong lakpana te moi na lais di it is want to enjoy the biodiversity, the wilderness of biodiversity, bioresources hariba bioresources local community na preserve to hore conserve to em sumai ta na akhoi na model ma kak Sikkim da akhoi na establish to jai moi national award matam du gi wena Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam na President oiring da makoi hariba committee si award pibne national award pibne.
Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh Manipur State organized a meeting for all its affiliated unions today at Singzamai Chandampukhi Mapal. The meeting was attended by BMS Notice Sangathan Mantri Sunil Kirwai along with several leaders of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh. The meet discussed on every union's role on the BMS in giving awareness on different types of welfare schemes taken up by the central and state government for the people. As a part of the meet, BMS Notice Sangathan Mantri Sunil Kirwai talked about the various responsibilities of Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh.
सभी जिलों में कैसे पहुंचेगा और हम किन किन क्षेत्रों में पहुंचेंगे इसके बारे में ही जानकारी देने के लिए ये कार्यक्रम है। और जो योजनाएं यहाँ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने लागू की है वो भारतीय मजदूर संघ के कारण और भारतीय मजदूर संघ के आंदोलन और भारतीय मजदूर संघ के दबाव के कारण हुआ है। तो हमारा जो संगठन है वो और भी शक्तिशाली बने मणिपुर में, इसके लिए ही आज हम सारी बातें कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ करने वाले हैं, आगे की योजना बनाने वाले हैं। 2019 और 20 ये शताब्दी वर्ष के कार्यक्रम की रचना यहाँ पर होगी। इतना ही यहाँ कार्यक्रम में बातचीत होने वाली है। धन्यवाद।
One man and a woman were injured when an autocar and two two-wheelers collided on the Imphal-More highway near Mela ground in Thoubal this morning at around 10. Reportedly, the injured woman has been identified as Ibeyaima, aged 48 years, from Thoubal Bazar, Makha. However, the exact identity of the injured man is not yet known and is stated to be in critical condition. The All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU has issued the draft electoral roll 2019 to 2021 for the election to the president and 9 members of the standing committee. The final electoral roll will be published at 5 p.m. of April 8, AMJU said in a notice. Kangleipak Communist Party Military Joint Committee has followed suit other militant groups in boycotting the scheduled Manipur visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on April 7. The outfit said it will boycott Modi's visit to the state. The outfit's Publicity and Propaganda Department Secretary Ningthem Mangang informed this in a press release issued to the press today. Let's take a short break once again.
lamjingbatomtv Limited ki members singda akaknaba matam khara khakki oina khudongchaba sing pizari khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani karigumba members singna business loan personal loan natraga mortgage loan laubiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobiba yagani akaknaba matam khara khakki oiba khudong chaba sing asi lobiranaba members singda ningsingjari masiga loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu ekhoigi address lamjingbatomtv Limited near Nityananda Mandir Nagamapal Rims Road Imphal West mobile 9366857001 email lamjingbatomtv@gmail.com website www.lamjingbatomtvlimited.com
Nupa khaktabu sagai lepkani haiduna chakthokchani hingleba singse mama amana pokpani mama do nupi ne habase kormal
nipa poksunati ipa numanga tawdana ari amada senting na bathabak adugi mohotane lai de kabu kutuma katlaga lushanaga lor
aibu nangi angang longba thamba miro sene bangamdragana nupi ni kai doino khongbandra kaino hudok chu kaino nangna na cha nupa am yawusinate do nangi nupi ma thirage dana leppe
piba madi poktaba yadarane taunariba mayam chi khangedana
yengu na ngasi mak yumji thado sakadamni bojo ba ngasi ne mai ka du solon chalo mase mahi laina longnar kani
macha masugi ningba thunga loidoi oiradi pedok bokpiramino thadok lemba yadro
sagi sarang manungda imana kayawana nang puduna chelaki imagi bema na matik saba mi mati oidaba yadabani
nang tamo khaktani
nusidiye
phai nang ngasidigi ai amona uni di khallu
kadai satoiba
Pakistan salaga sosai bomber oiga sirage kaino idi nang pelo duda
nang honari do hanbale tana dum honaga dabane kidoroge
nangi husiki wahaido karino khangdana thamoida pale ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯤ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯆꯅꯨ ꯃꯦꯔꯤ ꯀꯣꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗꯒ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯝꯂꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ
lamjingba jewelry na adomgidamak khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari aikhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari sana asamal khwaidagi nenna logzari nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari Ngasimak Lengsin Birau, Lamjingba Jewellery Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamjingbaJewellery@gmail.com. Website www.lamjingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamjingba Jewellery. Good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. A total of 63 candidates have filed nominations for the 4 Lok Sabha constituencies in Assam, which are going to the polls in the third phase to be held on April 23rd. Dhubri, Kokrajhar reserved for scheduled tribes, Barpeta and Guwahati Lok Sabha constituencies are going to the polls in the third phase. While a total of 17 candidates have filed nominations for Dhubri Lok Sabha constituency, 12 candidates have filed nominations for the Kokrajhar seat. In Barpeta constituency, 14 candidates have filed nominations and 20 candidates have filed nominations in Guwahati constituency. Prominent among those who filed nominations for Dhubri constituency are sitting MP and All India United Democratic Front AIUDF Chief Badruddin Azmal, Javid Islam from Assam Gana Parishad AGP and Abu Taher Bepari of the Congress. There are 7 independent candidates. The Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb, who has been campaigning all over the state to ensure BJP's victory in both the Lok Sabha seats of this state, called to an regionalism in politics and strengthening of the unity and integrity of the country. Biplab said that Tripura had passed through a dark period since 1978 up to the year 2018 because of the politics of regionalism and ethnic polarization, and optimum development of the state could not happen. Biplab said that Prime Minister Modi will visit Tripura on April 7 to address the people of Tripura and seek votes. He urged the people of Tripura to strengthen Modi's hands for a better India in which all sections of people will live peacefully in harmony. The Election Commission EC yesterday said it was looking into the recent seizure of Rs 1.80 crore cash in Arunachal Pradesh. The Chief Electoral Officer CEO of the state has submitted a detailed report to the EC after the cash was recovered from 2 vehicles parked at a guest house in Arunachal's East Siang district on April 3rd. While Rs 1 crore was seized from a government vehicle and was claimed by Christopher Parme, son of Mebo BJP candidate Dangi Parme. Rs 80 lakh was found inside a private vehicle of former MLA Ralom Borang, the Arunachal Pradesh CEO said. The EC had written to President Ramnath Kovind pointing to the violation of Model Code of Conduct by the Rajasthan governor by making political comments. The EC had examined that the former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's remark as holding a constitutional post makes him political in the light of Model Code of Conduct. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has gotten a welcome lift from the White House as he finds himself in a tight race of re-election. Benjamin Netanyahu's campaign speeches, billboards and social media videos all heavily feature as President Donald Trump's image. Statements and pro-Israel action as endorsement of the long-seated Prime Minister Netanyahu has drawn inspiration from Trump. Dismissing a corruption case against him as a witch hunt, his Likud party has launched a weekly webcast to counter what it claims is fake news broadcast by mainstream media. For Netanyahu, the close ties with Trump are a welcome change after 8 frosty years with the Obama administration, which repeatedly clashed with the Prime Minister over his policies toward the Palestinians and his opposition to the nuclear agreement with Iran. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, BJP, Congress are two sides of the same coin, says CPI. NPP, CPI join hands for Lok Sabha polls. Biren justifies MU crackdown. NPF intensifies poll campaign at Ukhrul. The People's Chronicle, BJP Congress, two faces of the same coin. I stand not for NPF but for Nagas, other indigenes, says Dr. Lorho. Same government behind June 18 incident still in power. Contesting as independent to raise free voice, says RK Kaiku. The Morning Bell. State plagued with ILP CAB crisis due to Congress misrule, says BJP. Former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koijam quits BJP. Imphal Free Press. Let us defeat the political party trying to garner votes utilizing false propaganda of communalism. Congress BJP demoralized by factionalism. Nara will be clear-cut winner. Biren's referring to Meghalaya Chief Minister as Silong Kid, unethical and disrespectful, says MPCC. Former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koijam quits BJP. NPF is for respect and development of every community. Manipur Mail. BJP Congress are two sides of same coin, says CPI. Mizoram Civil Society Group reviews decision. Training for women polling personnel. BJP never regarded those who disagree with it politically as anti-national, says Lal Krishna Advani.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. BJP President Amit Shah sounds poll bugle in Manipur, addresses election rally. Eight segments in Manipur's outer parliamentary constituency not given right to contest election. And Assam Rifles nabs 3 persons with WI tablets worth rupees 27 crore. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.